Welcome to day 1 of the 90-day AI Mastery course. Today, we are setting up your complete development environment. Python is the undisputed king of AI and machine learning. It is used by every major tech company, and its clean syntax makes it perfect for beginners. By the end of this lesson, you will have Python, VS Code, and Git installed and ready to go. Here is our game plan for today. We need 3 tools: Python itself, which is the programming language, VS Code, which is our code editor where we will write all our programs, and Git for version control. Let us start with Python installation. Head to python.org/downloads and grab the latest version. When running the installer on Windows, there is one critical step: you must check the box that says Add Python to Path. If you miss this, Python commands will not work in your terminal. After installation, open your terminal and type Python 3-- version to verify. Next, verify that pip is installed. Pip is Python's package manager, which we will use to install libraries like NumPy and TensorFlow later. Type pip 3-- version in your terminal. You should see the version number. If pip is not found, try running Python 3-mpip instead. Now let us install VS Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer for your operating system. Once installed, open VS Code, go to the Extensions panel by pressing Ctrl+Shift+X, search for Python by Microsoft, and click Install. This extension gives you autocomplete, debugging, and syntax highlighting. Git is essential for tracking your code changes. On Mac OS, Git comes pre-installed. On Windows, download it from git-scm.com. On Linux, use sudo apt install git. After installing, configure your identity with git config commands. This way, all your code commits will be properly attributed to you. Let us create our project folder. Open your terminal and type Dear AI course to create a new directory, then cd into it. Now type code. To open VS Code in this folder. Create a new file called hello.py. This will be your very first Python program. Here is your first Python script. We start with 2 print statements to display messages on screen. Then we use the input function to ask the user for their name and store it in a variable. Finally, we use an f-string to create a personalized greeting. This is real, working Python code that you can type right now. Now let us run this script. In the VS Code terminal, type python 3 hello.py and press enter. You will see the Hello World message, followed by a prompt asking for your name. Type your name and press enter. You just ran your first Python program. How exciting is that? Finally, let us install some essential Python packages that we will use throughout this course. Run pip 3 install NumPy pandas matplotlib. NumPy handles numerical computing, pandas handles data manipulation, and matplotlib creates charts and graphs. These are the foundation tools for AI and data science. Let us recap what we accomplished today. We installed Python and verified it works from the command line. We set up VS Code with the Python extension for a great coding experience. We configured Git for version control. And most importantly, we wrote and ran our very first Python program. Tomorrow in day 2, we will learn about Python variables and data types. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss it. See you tomorrow.